gonna try it. Now's the time.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Yeah, so you basically do that. Oh,
I don't know if I'm gonna be on here.
yeah, I'll get you started, and then you probably fall in once and be like, nope. So you gotta try to reach up and grab the bars. You gotta like keep your legs back and kick them kind of. Yeah, hang off and then try to hit the start button on the throttle.
Ready?
Yep.
Are you? And oh boy.
Yeah,
I can't see
She's doing it, kinda. She's like, I don't want to go towards shore, so. Oh, she's gonna flip. Went better than I thought it would. I'll come get in the water with you. Yeah, you can't try to actually, you can rest some weight on it, but you have to keep your legs out so you can kick them. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'll stabilize it. You're just not tall enough to reach. With the factory fold down bars, you might be able to get it, but you did pretty good. You did better than most people on their first attempt.
Ready?
Yeah. She's going. She needs more speed. You need to get going a little faster before you try to get on. Yeah, you're kind of doing, everybody does that, but kind of try to get the feel of just letting it drag you.
Okay.
I'll point you this way. Yeah, and then you'll feel once you get, you can actually go pretty fast with it just kind of dragging you behind.
Okay.
And yeah, and then you'll feel it kind of stabilize.
Okay, okay.
And then you can kind of try to pull yourself on from there. All right. Yeah, get your legs. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, please get up. Oh no, she's getting away from me. Is she on? She's on it! Holy shit! Holy shit! It's freaking awesome! Oh my god! She's flying! Whoa. Oh my god! She's getting nervous because there's people around. And I don't blame her. Put this strap on. Gonna be responsible. Oh no, oh no. I wish I could tell her she's doing awesome. How can she do that? I don't get it. How she can ride that. She's never ridden a jet ski before today, and now she's riding an X2. Let's insert a clip of my first attempt at riding an X2 here. Okay, Joe, you can do this. Oh my god, it's the most ridiculous thing ever. Pretty sure. Okay. Well, that's exciting. Forgot what it was like to get a nose full of water. Woo! What the heck? I'm mind blown. sense. Way to go, Megan. Jealous right now. So crazy. She has a hard time getting on because she's too short to reach the bars. But once she's on, oh, is she gonna fall? Oh, more throttle. She seems to just know how to. Okay. That doesn't even make sense.
What?
How you can ride that? Just like I was narrating and I was like, okay, let's insert a clip of my first attempt here. That is like mind-blowing. No, obviously, but like you're like staying up and like you knew what to do when you hit the waves, like you just like naturally. It's a work. It's work, and I have more fun on that one because I'm able to do more on that one. And yeah.
On that one.
It's nerve-wracking, especially once you kind of flip, it's very jerky, eh? Yeah.
Like there's no middle here.
Yeah, no, it's just, it's easiest to crawl on from the back. You just grab the handle and my strap.
Oh, I'm pretty pleased.
That was awesome. I was just like, holy crap. The whole time I was just like, holy crap. BJ and Andy are just gonna be like, what the I was like, okay, she's gonna fall here for sure, and you didn't, and then you were turning and I was like, okay, this is it. I didn't say that, but that's awesome, Megan. Alright, YouTube, just finished up filming a video review of the Jet Pilot wetsuit, and now I'm going to go try out the XP. I did have it out once before, but it was when I tested my X2 for the first time, so I was riding the XP around quite tentatively because I wasn't sure if BJ was going to sink my X2 because the X2 was having some issues. So I'm going to take the XP out. Megan's gonna relax on the shore and do some people watching, and yeah, I'm gonna make a video. Yeehaw.